Hey y'all, Myra here with Vacation Rental Authority. I just showed up at our Beach Cottage project, which is undergoing a huge renovation over the next 6 weeks. So today, I just want to show you what the backyard looks like before any work gets done. Take a look at our before and then stay tuned throughout the week to see some updates, and then throughout the next couple of weeks to see what happens with the Beach Cottage. All right, let's go. All right, welcome to the backyard at the Beach Cottage. As you can see, we've just got tons of typical debris. It is a typical backyard, although we do have a lot of really good space to work with. So once we get all this out of here, the hot water heater, the wood, all of the torn down branches, and the old grass, we're gonna have a really clean slate to start with. We're gonna work on this porch over here. It's gonna be black and white, beautiful, crisp details with some nice stonework around it. The lawn's going to come all the way flush up to the patio, which will be great. Right in here, we have some great rock work coming in. We're going to put up some Adirondack chairs in this beautiful fire pit that's going to go right about here. So we have a lot to work with here, as you can see. Not a lot of it is going to stay. We've got some healthy bushes and a few things that will stay on the property with the trees, but most of it will be a blank slate. But this is the most exciting part to me. This is going to be a custom water feature with a motor that's going to cascade the water all the way down these beautiful rock formations that we have going in. So the guys are excited to get started on that. As you can see, the backyard is going to be an awesome project. All right, what'd you think? Pretty typical backyard so far, but we got a lot planned for it, so stay tuned over the next couple of days as we go through some of these early renovations. We're gonna work on the backyard, and then we're gonna pop inside and see what it looks like in there. So stay tuned, we're excited to have you, and we'll see you next time.